Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect these earbuds with your MacBook. So to do this you have to open this charging case, input both earbuds inside and then click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. So keep holding. If it is not working, just release and do this one more time. Okay, right now it's blinking, so we can simply release that button. And next we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our MacBook. We have to go for the Bluetooth. Turn it on by tapping right here. And as you can see, we can find here only the left earbud. So let's connect with the left. And right now you have to simply remove the right one and the left one. If you have this additional request of connection, just click connect. Do this one more time. Okay, and then put both earbuds back to the charging case. Okay, and right now we have to select to connect with this headset and also with this one. Now let's remove them back. And as you can see, the name will change to the right from the headset to the right headphone, and right now we will be successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.